and enjoyable experience for everyone. Have fun, listening to be seated. All the students at the back, boys, please have your seat.
that reminds you or makes you think about something good.
This performance is packed with all those classic tunes we grew up with.
Think of it as your personal time machine. Now we invite NB and MG to the dance floor. moves under the dynamic flair. It's like a cultural blast on the stage.
These performers have got more moves than the excuses we have for not going to the gym.
Exactly. So get ready to be amazed as the beat breakers take on to the stage.
Here they come. Let the fusion of Tollywood and folk begin.
DRC Zero. श्रेणी
मैं समझ गया
शूर श्रेणी आयुध गौरव समर्पण
This celebration highlights our college's continuous success is also an opportunity to welcome our revered chairman sir. And along with revered chairman sir, we also have executive secretary to the chairman sir and vice president Sri Chandrakant Verma sir and Miss Dr. Lahiri madam, Head of International Wing and also the Principal of Degree Vertical, Secunderabad. Welcome them all with huge round of applause. Sir is the hospitality head for the AGI, Avinash Group of Institutions. And we can see his effort throughout the programs that we conduct at AGI. Let's begin this morning's proceedings with a burst of energy and enthusiasm as our talented Manishwini of MEC2B followed by Lasya of CEC2A present to welcome dance. Students, I request all of you to be seated comfortably, quietly with utmost discipline
हाथ जो महाकाल का सर पे मेरे हाथ भोले तेरे आशीर्वाद का डरना किसी बात का साथ भोलेनाथ का सर पे मेरे हाथ भोले तेरे आशीर्वाद का बम 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 भोले भोले
Performance. What's this, students? Yeah. Thank you so much, Manaswini and Lasya, for those captivating performances. Invoking the blessings of the Almighty, this fantastic person
And brings a ray of hope. With our dignitaries in place, it's time to kindle the flames of auspiciousness as we proceed. Let's take a moment for a significant tradition, the lighting of the lamp.
to conduct Chairman Sir onto the dais. I also request the head international wing, Avinash Group of Institutions, Nadi Madam, to honor the dais. I request our Executive Secretary to Chairman Sir and Vice President Shri Chandrakant Verma Sir Garu also to grace the dais for the Jyoti Prajwalana.
young enthusiasts, I am reminded of the tender saplings. The saplings that we see today not only exhibit academic progress but also embody the core values that define an institution. Through character building initiatives, thank you so much, sir, for accepting our gratitude. Thanks a lot, Harima. Give a huge round of applause. Come on. Where is all the enthusiasm? For and elaborate a little bit to our children. Of course, yes, ma'am. Welcome to Rubalu 2K24. Rubalu is an Urdu word that means face to face. And I guess it's an apt title given for the program. We all are here with each other to know each other better, to know our institution better, and to know our core values better. In a world where virtual interactions have become the norm, the value of meeting face to face is more profound than ever. While technology has connected us across the distances, nothing quite compares to the authenticity, depth and impact of an in-person. And yeah, I remember. Coming together is beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success. I would like to repeat, coming together is beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success. And that is what our dear principal ma'am, Dr. Jyoti Dwivedi ma'am always reiterates. Dr. Jyoti Dwivedi ma'am has over 18 plus years of experience in the corporate and education sector. She has worked with MNCs like GE, Cholamandalam DBS as branch credit manager and has over a decade plus expertise in She is a UGC NET and TSET qualified and has obtained her PhD from Annamalai University. It's time now for our principal ma'am, the guiding force behind the students as well as the faculty, to present the annual academic report. Come on, welcome madam with a huge round of applause.
Thank you, ma'am. A very good morning to one and all. Good morning, students. You all had breakfast. Good morning, students, all of you all. Awesome, awesome. Yes, keep up the temperament for the day, dear. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this August gathering. I feel overwhelmed to see you all in this vibrant attire. What an increase in the aesthetic value of the event. Respected dignitaries on and off the dais, our Reverend Chairman Sir, Dr. Avinash Brahmadevara Garu, Degree Principal, Secunderabad Branch, and International Nobel, Dr. Lahiri Ma'am, Executive Secretary to Chairman Sir and Vice President, Mr. Chandrakant Verma Sir, Manoj Sir, Admissions Head, Rakesh Sir, Pawan Sir, Hospitality Head, Teaching and Non-Teaching Staff, and my dear students, I wholeheartedly welcome each one of you all to Rubaru 2K24. New beginnings, new experiences, new possibilities. I'm sure you're going to seize the day, seize the moment. Let us keep up the temperament. Dear students, you all are very aware that we have made a mark in the state with our recent IB results securing 80 plus state ranks. A humongous round of applause. A huge round of applause, dear all. From the Kachiguda branch, in IB, our branch 19 students have secured top 5 state ranks from MEC and CEC. Humongous round of applause. Sir, this year we have 800 admissions, out of which 48 students are with a GPA of 9.8 to 10. Humongous round of applause, dear all. All these meritorious students will be getting this Avinash Brahmadevara Merit Scholarship in their tuition fee as a waive off. Other academic achievements that I want to share with you all is that 4 of my students from outgoing batch have made us all proud by qualifying in the most prestigious law entrance exam at national and state level. CLAT and TS Law Set. Humongous round of applause, dear all. These academic achievements could not have been possible without the constant support, selfless mentoring and direction of our revered chairman sir and the entire management. I request all of you all to give a standing ovation to our chairman sir. Standing ovation to chairman sir, dear all. Please be seated. Thank you so much, sir. Please be seated, all of you all. A big round of applause for the excellent faculty at AGI. The great mentoring work, the cooperative parent-teacher meetings that we have at AGI. Lastly, and most importantly, the untiring hard work put in by each student like of you. Definitely, this is a great milestone and we are inspired to the fullest, dear all. As principal, I take the privilege to express that we at AGI beautifully balances between academics and events of such kind. As we believe in holistic development of our students, I'm sure you will have a gala event of academic here with us. With these impactful words about the glory of Avinash College of Commerce, I welcome each one of you all as family member in the Avinash family at Kachiguda branch. I'm sure this journey of coming 2 years will leave an indelible impression in your hearts. All the best, dear students. Rock on! Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the words of inspiration and the culmination that you have done of the last academic year. Come on, guys, is that all? Clap. Looks like most of them didn't have breakfast, madam. They're all very dull. Guys, where is the Josh? That's the spirit. And now, that's the spirit. And now, let's move on to a special moment of the event. Any guesses, Aparna? Any guesses? Who is going to address us next? Come on. Avinash sir, yes. Of course, it's always a great pleasure to speak about the achievements of an intellectual such as Dr. Avinash Brahmadevara sir. His leadership is nothing short of extraordinary. With a clear vision and a resolute determination, he has guided his teams and organizations towards remarkable success. His ability to inspire, innovate and adapt has set him apart as a true leader in every sense. From a small town office boy to the CFO of a limited company in Andhra Pradesh, and now as the founder chairman of Avinash Group of Institutions, Dr. Avinash Brahmadevara sir rose like a phoenix bird. Hailed from a small village called Kamarkuntlai in Warangal district, he was born in Khambam on 11th January 1982. in a middle class family, to Mr. Somalingam Garu, who was a mathematics teacher, and Mrs. Bhavani Garu, who is a homemaker. Popularly known as the Commerce Guru, Dr. Avinash Brahmadevara sir is a world record holder himself as India's youngest triple qualified postgraduate professional MCom, CA, CS and CMA. He achieved 4 All India ranks, 1 state rank and 2 gold medals. You have a huge bar to raise, students. A, to what sir, at least to half of what sir has achieved. So, with an aim to make a difference, he has volunteered to give up his most coveted, promising, illustrious career of 12 years as the CFO with a heavy paycheck and developed a world-class group of quality commerce institutions called Avinash Group of Institutions. AGI was established in the year 2013 with 283 students at LB Nagar and Kukatpalli, and is now a massive group of 20,000 plus students with 12 colleges and a staff of 750 plus. It is right to say that Dr. Avinash Brahmadevara sir is an absolute philanthropist. Over 150 plus students were being offered free education who have lost their earning parent during COVID. And do you know, Lavina, this year the number is really huge. Around 750 students are receiving the Avinash Brahmadevara scholarship. What more a society can expect?
He is an absolute Indian with a huge heart, resolute to bring a change in the country. May I, with immense gladness, request our chairman sir, one and only Dr. Avinash Brahmadevara Garu, the Commerce Guru, to kindly come share the pearls of wisdom with the students. So please.
Respected dignitaries on the dais and the off dais, and the gorgeous girls inside and the handsome boys here. Today is an occasion which cannot be completely formal, right? You would definitely not be expecting boring motivational lectures to be done to you. What's up, rowdy boys? Antane kartiki untundi valla. Nevertheless, to all the handsome boys and the gorgeous girls here, a big round of applause to all of you for having you made into Avinash Group of Institutions. A big round of applause to your parents for accepting your decision of joining into Avinash Group of Institutions. A big round of applause to your parents. While you might have listened to whatever the introduction that has been told about me, some of you may feel that Avinash sir has been one of those most studious students and in the very first bench, right? The kind of academic tradition that they have mentioned, probably everyone would be expecting that to be there. I would have been seated in the very first bench. Acha bacha, good boy. Right? But to be very honest, let me tell the truth, I was always the backbencher. Last bench on the kick veru to all the last benchers. So as a student, I always felt that life has to be thoroughly enjoyed. See, these are the moments very precious in your life. See, by the time probably 4 years, 5 years down the line or 6 years down the line, some of you may become a chartered accountant, company secretary, cost accountant, or an IAS officer, or an IPS officer, or probably a lawyer, or someone may be getting into IAMs and all those. At the end of the day, whatever you may be in your life, these precious 2 years, coupled with your graduation 3 years, are definitely going to create a super duper memory in your life. cannot be undone, this cannot be repeated. So enjoy the most of these moments in the college. And yes, कभी कभी पंख मारना थोड़ा सा accepted है. But I tell you one thing, see, as a student, these are all small fantasies that we would have. Bunking the college, yes. Going up to KFC, Pizza Hut, or maybe small kitty parties. But I have always mentioned to all of you that whatever you do, let your parents be informed of your bunking also. Whatever you are doing, yes. Whatever you are doing, please do inform your parents. Let us not do anything wrong. Let us not do anything, something which should not be shared to the parents. So always be inclined to your parents, and definitely yes, today you will not be able to appreciate all the effort that you may put in, but definitely once you become a parent, you will definitely appreciate all the hard work put in by your lovely father and mother actually. So a big round of applause to them for having you brought up so long, so hard in your life. And yes, as a student of Avinas Group of Institutions, మనకి సినిమా పిచ్చి కొంచెం ఎక్కువ. హార్డ్ కోర్ చిరంజీవి ఫ్యాన్. ఇప్పుడంటే పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ ఫ్యాన్ మీరు అందరూ ఇప్పుడు డిఫరెంట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ యు మే బి జై బాలయ్య. So I always believe in one thing, life has to be thoroughly enjoyed. So enjoy the most of it. అదే అతడు సినిమాలో లేదా దూకుడు సినిమా పెట్టలేదు. పవర్ స్టార్ వడికల్ సూపర్ స్టార్ మహేష్ బాబు రైట్. అది ఏదో సినిమాలో డైలాగ్ గుర్తొస్తుంది నాకు, వాడుకున్నాడికి వాడుకున్నంత. అక్కడ దూకుడు ఏ సినిమా? ఓకే, what am I doing? My point, what I'm trying to drive is at Avinas Group of Institutions, ఎంత వాడుకుంటే అంత మీకు బెనిఫిట్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు బికమ్ ఎ చార్టర్డ్ అకౌంటెంట్, we are there for you. If you want to become a company secretary, we are there for you. If you want to become a cost accountant, we are there for you. Lawyer, whatever it may be there. Whatever your dream may be, we will definitely give those wings to fly. So make the best out of these 2 years of your intermediate education and 3 years of graduation, and definitely you will be able to scale up greater heights in your life. And not only this, you would stand as an inspiration to the next generation. And one day, we would like to have you invited onto the stage as a guest for the day to speak for the next 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line. You would definitely be a speaker on the stage, sharing your experiences, sharing your thoughts as a student and ex-alumnus of Avinas Group of Institutions. All the very best. Keep rocking. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words of wisdom and inspiration. Now, all the movie actors which you have mentioned are screen heroes, and now you are the hero for all the students of commerce here. We will kindly take your note as an inspiration. We will sincerely follow it. Yes, students? Proceed to the next segment of the program. I would like all of you to give a huge round of applause to what sir has said, if you agree with that. All of you, even my dear backbenchers. Right. So it's time for our freshers to take a pledge that signifies their commitment to growth and learning. Now, I request all the first year CRs to come near the dais, and I request all the big boys CRs to come and stand here. In fact, to stand in their places, please. Please to take the pledge. Right hand on your heart, all of you, both boys and girls. Everybody. Come forward and perform the glorious oath-taking ceremony with students.
After me, I, student of Avinas College of Commerce, Kachiguda branch, solemnly pledge to do my best today and always to obey the rules of the institution and safeguard its interest at all times. to respect the institution, society, my parents, and myself, to maintain dignity, integrity, and honesty in all my dealings, to conduct myself professionally and ethically always. I hereby promise that I will act in ways that positively impact our world. Thank you. Please be seated, all of you.
And now, the much awaited moment, handing over of certificates of merit to the students. Avinash College is known for rewarding excellence always. Every year, students are awarded for their hard work with the junior scholarship letters and senior merit scholarship. Now, I request all the students to come please and assemble beside the dais. And receive your certificate. Noman Raviteja, MA. Vanapatti Avanishri MEC 1A. Poparaju Harit Kumar MEC 1A. Vaishnavi Soni MEC 1D. Invite Aisha Firdaus, Divik S. Vyas, Pudavanti Prashansha, Chandrakant. Big round of applause for all the achievers. Hyderabad Chandrakant, Sindhu Priya, come on students, is that how you encourage your classmates and friends? Keep applauding for them. Pranav Chamber, Adam Nikhil, Vidisha, Kushbu Goyal, Kushbu Goyal. Boys and girls, where is your Josh? Rupesh Singh, a big round of applause to all of the achievers. Rupesh Singh, Surabhi Pal, Surabhi Pal, Bhadrani, Sai Hansika, Vaishnavi Singh,